In this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to install an investment script called Hyipking. So this is an example of how the script looks like. So we head over to our control panel. I'll be installing it on a subdomain. So right now this is my subdomain where I'll be installing the script. So I've uploaded the script already. So what you need to do is to extract the script. Now when you extract the script, you're going to see this folder called files. You open it, then make sure you select all and move it to the subdomain. You delete the files here, then you click on move files. Then I'll go back to the subdomain. I will see all these files here. So right now on the subdomain, I will load the subdomain. So what I have here is 500 server error. So to start the installation, I'll just put /install. Now you can see now that this has come up right now. Put /install, it has come up. Then I will click on I agree, then follow the next step. Now all these ones with red signal, you need to take note of them. What it requires is file permission 0775. So I'll go to core bootstrap cake. So I'll locate core bootstrap cake on the folder core, then bootstrap, then cake. Then I will change the file permission to the one that is given. The next one as well is core storage. So I'll locate core storage and as well change the file permission. Then the next one is core storage app. So I'll locate core storage. This is storage. Then app. Change the file permission. Then the next one seems to be core storage framework. So this is framework. Change the file permission. The last one is core storage logs. Change the file permission. Then you come back and recheck it to see if it is okay. Alright, you can see now that it's actually very okay. Now having changed the file permission, we'll go to the next step. So for the next step, we're going to be putting in the username for the purchase verification. Then we have created a database already. So the local host is localhost. Now for this admin is by default, which you can later on change. So let me put the email address support@prime. Then I'll click on install now. Now when it has been installed, you can preview the website, but before previewing the website, you need to delete the install folder. So you need to take note of this to delete the install folder. So we need to locate the install folder on the file manager. So here is the install folder, you need to delete it. So now that has been deleted. Now let us preview the website to see if it loads. So we can see here that okay, so we need to remove this install. Now the website is still not loading. So there's one more step you need to do, you need to take. So go to core, then locate config, then locate database.php. So you need to update the database that you've created. So that should be on line 51, 52 and 53. So you delete this one is DB database. You delete this forge here and put in your database that you've created. Then for the other one, database username, you delete the forge. Then for the database password, you also put your password as well. Then you save. So let us preview the website and see again. Alright, you can see now that the website is actually loading, so that is great. Now the website, the script comes with two templates, so let us log into the administrator's dashboard now to change to the other templates, as seen in our demo. Alright, now to change to the other templates, you need to go to general settings, then you click on basic. When you click on basic, you see active templates. There are two, so you can choose basic, then you click on submit. Now let us preview the website and see if it appears just like the one in our demo. Alright, so you can see now that it appears just like the one in our demo website. Now the next thing we're going to be looking at is how then do we add WhatsApp widget, live chat widget, and fake alert notification on the website, even as we're trading view widgets. So to do that, you need to locate the core resources views. So you need to go to core, then you need to go to resources, then you go to views, then you go to templates. Remember, there are two templates, basic and minimal. So select basic, which is currently active on the website. So right now we want to put the WhatsApp and the trading the fake alert notification on the home page. So we'll see home.blade, then we'll click on edit. So let me get my WhatsApp widgets. So this is my WhatsApp widget. So I'm going to paste it down. Then also let me paste that of the fake alert notification. So I'll just paste it below. Then also, if you have the live chat, you can also paste it below. When you've done that, you go ahead and save it. Then let's preview the website and see. Alright, we can see now that the WhatsApp has appeared, and so also is that of the fake alert notification. You can see that it has also appeared. So that is how you add this on the home page. Now for the other pages of the website, in some scripts it may be added automatically, whereby you just have to use the layout option. So you can check out the layout options here and add it, but I doubt if it will add automatically. So now we need to add it manually on other pages of the website. So for instance, let's go to plan page. Now when we head over to plan page, we can see here now that the live chat is not appearing, likewise the fake alert notification. So we need to locate plan page. So we have a plan here. Look at plan here. If you do not see it here, you can as well check it on partials. When you open partials, you should be able to see plan blade here. So right now let me head over to this plan, then edit it. Now let me paste the fake alert notification there. Then I'll click on save changes. Now let me refresh the website and see if it appears. Okay. Alright, so you can see here now that it has appeared. So now the same principle followed, used on adding it to plan, you add it on the blog page and the contact page. So you can see all of these pages right in this particular place. We have the blog page, then we have the contact page as well. So that is how you add the live chats, the WhatsApp chat, and as well the fake alert notification. So now if we're going to add the trading view widgets, for instance, now we want to add the trading view widget on the footer section, because one thing about TradingView widget, you don't need to begin to add it on all pages of your website. You begin to scatter it here and there. You just need to add it few of these TradingView widgets. So let me copy the TradingView widgets. I've opened to my TradingView widget already, so you can see the link. So let me copy that. Now I need to add it to the footer. So I will go to the script. Remember, it is core. From core, you enter resources, views, templates, basic. Then let's check for footer. So for footer, let's open to partials. So for partials, let's check for footer. Okay, look at footer here. So we need to edit it. Now we've edited it, so let's now locate where we want to put it now. So we have the copyright reserve, we have this short description, then we have the footer menu, and then the footer logo as well. Then we also have the footer social links. So where do you want to put it? When you get to the footer blade, you can see the policy, company's policy, the home, that is the pages. Then when you scroll down, you're going to see the footer, the copyright. Look at the copyright here. You can see the dates, the year. So this is for the copyright. So let me just put it in between this copyright and that of the logo, where the logo appeared. So let's put it there and see. Then now let us refresh. So by the time you refresh now, you can see where the TradingView widget appeared. So it's just in between the logo and that of the copyright. So if you also want to put it above the pages, that is the footer menus, footer pages, you can as well locate where the footer pages is. So let me Ctrl Z this. So this is the footer pages, home, blah 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 blah. So let's locate, let's put it somewhere there. I want to put it below the or above the logo. So this is where the ending of the footer pages ends. So I want to put it below it. So I'll just take note of the closing tag. This is the closing tag now for these footer menus. So I'm putting it just before the footer logo. So let's refresh it now and see how and where it appears. So you can see now that this is where it has appeared, just before the footer logo. So it all depends on where you actually want to place this particular codes. Now if you want to place the TradingView widget maybe on the front page of the website, you can as well do that. So now let's look at how on the front page of the website, that is the home page, the trading widget is still appearing because it appears on every places of the website. So right now what I will do is, even the WhatsApp widgets and the fake alert notification, you can also place it on that footer section. Let's do that right now and see if it will appear on all the pages of the website. So let me copy that of the WhatsApp widget and place it in footer section, because I want it to just automatically appear on all pages of the website. So let me do that to see. So let me refresh the website now. Now I've refreshed the website. I can see right now that the WhatsApp is appearing already. Remember, I removed it from the home.blade. This is home.blade. I've removed it already from here and placed it on the footer, because definitely what you placed on the footer, the widgets you placed on the footer there is a JavaScript, definitely takes place on the website, and you can see now that it's appearing on the home page. Now let me go to frequently, or better still, let me go to plans page. Let me delete all this. So right on the plans page, we can see here that the WhatsApp widget is also appearing. So perfect. Now let me go to blog page and see if it also appears. So you can see that now it appears. So better still, what you can do is to place the WhatsApp widget and the fake alert notification and the live chat widget, place it on the footer blade, because once you place it on the footer blade, automatically it reflects on all the pages of the website. So just as we have seen right now, so instead of doing it placing on the home page, placing on the plan page, placing on the blog page, placing on the contact page, you can just place it on this footer.blade.php and it's going to take effect on all pages of the website. So let me undo this. Alright, so that is how we've added this widget. Now I said if we're going to add the trading view widget, let's take for instance we want to add it on, okay, let's look at the website again. Let's go to the front page of the website. So we want to add it on maybe after this our features. Then let's look at where this features is being located. So look at feature blade here. So I'll edit it. Now let me copy the trading widget code. I'm using this one for instance, so you can get other trading widgets. There are many of them. So I'm adding it on the feature just below the features section, this features section. So right now let me locate where I can place it. So I may decide to place it just below. Let me place it and see. So once you place any code, you make sure you refresh your website to see how it has appeared on that website. So you can see now it's perfect. It appeared exactly where I wanted it to be, just below the our features page. If you also want to place the trading widget code just below our statistics section, so you need to locate statistics section. So it may be a name. So look at statistics here. So you can see that right now. So you need to edit it. When you edit it, then you go ahead to the last page. Then you can drop it here. You can drop it at the last page. Then you refresh the website to see. Alright, so it's going to appear somewhere. Our statistics. Okay, it hasn't reflected. So probably we didn't add it at the right place that we want it to be. So let me refresh again and see. So it didn't appear. So now let me remove the code from this particular place. Then let me put it somewhere. Okay, all these ones are JavaScript, something like that. So now let me put it somewhere here. Yes, okay, this is where the statistics started from. Look at it here. Section starts here and it ends here. So I'm placing it in between that section there. Then I will save it. Then let me refresh it and see. Alright, it's going to appear somewhere right away. Okay, it still didn't appear. That means we're probably not getting the statistics correct. So let's look at the code again. Statistics. This one is investors. Let's check if there's another statistics page. This could be counter. Let's check if this is a counter. Okay, this could be a counter. So let's put it on counter and see. Let me edit. Okay, so I'll locate the code. Yeah, it should be right in this place, so I'll place it here, then I will refresh. Okay, so yeah, so we're correct. This place, they call this one's counter, so we are using the statistics to measure it in this place, which is not right. So that is not actually the function. So I've undo these statistics here now. So this particular section here is called the counter. That is what the code is. So you can see now that the code has appeared just below the statistics. So that is how you add these widgets. So basically, we've come to the end of this video. You've learned how to install the script. You've also learned how to add the live chat, the WhatsApp, the fake alert notification, and trading view widget. You can as well add them to other places that you so desire. So thank you for watching.